Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to make custom frame templates for recurring projects. Start by opening a new document and designing the layout structure with the Frame tool. Place frames where images will appear and adjust sizes according to project requirements. Once your layout is complete, save it as a template file or duplicate the document for future projects. Drag images into the frames to see how the template works, and double-click inside frames to adjust scale and positioning. Keep text layers separate from frames so content can be updated easily. You can apply consistent effects like shadows, borders, or gradient overlay